Hello everyone, welcome back to Enrichment API tutorial series. In this video, I'll show you how to use Company Enrichment API to retrieve detailed company information using nothing more than a company URL. So let's dive right in. From the dashboard, simply navigate to the left sidebar and click on Company Enrichment API. Here, you will see the request page where you can test the API directly from the dashboard before integrating into your own application. Using the API is very simple. Copy the company URL that you like to enrich and paste it to the company URL field. Now click on Try Now. Within just a few seconds, Enrichment API processes the company profile and return a complete response. As you can see, our response has been completely successful with 200 status code. One of the best thing about Enrichment API is that we provide the responses in two different formats. The first is Company View, which present all the company information in a clean and easy to read interface. This is especially useful for the product managers, sales team, marketers, or anyone who prefer visual representation instead of raw data. You'll be able to see important details such as company name, logo, website, descriptions, LinkedIn profile, company size, industry, and many other enriched attributes. And if you are a developer, simply switch to JSON tab. There, you'll find the complete structured JSON response that's ready to integrate directly into your own application or your workflow. If you're planning to integrate this endpoint into your own application, simply click on Get Code. Here, we have ready to use code snippets in multiple programming languages, including Python, Node.js, Java, PHP, Ruby, Go, and others. Just choose the preferred language, copy the code, add your API key, and you are ready to integrate. For more detailed information about request parameters, you can also prefer our complete API documentation. And that's how easy it is to use Company Enrichment API. With just a LinkedIn company URL, you can retrieve all the information about company. If you have any other questions or need assistance with integration, feel free to reach out to us using the support email address provided below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.